Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to get this look using the Teddy Bear palette from Too Faced. Taking the first color, which is Bare It All, I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my brow bone with this large fluffy blending brush and blend it downwards. Then dipping back into the palette, I'm going into Gilda Bear, and I'm putting that as my transition shade in my crease and slowly blending it upwards. The next shade I'm going to use is called The Snuggle is Real, and I'm going to use that in my crease as well and start to build it up. Using this color right here called Press Pause, which is so cute. I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my lid. It is like a rosy gold type of color, but I actually go over this later because I feel like it wasn't really popping for me. So I'm just going to apply that first, and then I'm going to take Stuffed and start to darken my outer crease. Still using Stuffed, I'm just continuing to add more to my outer V and then bringing it into my crease area, really trying to darken it up. Taking Mama Bear, I'm going to go ahead and use this on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to use Stuffed to deepen it up. Using a large fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it all out. Make sure everything is seamless. Now taking this Milani Hypnotic Lights, I'm going to go ahead and put this on top of that rosy gold color. This has a lot of dimensions in it. It's called Beaming Light. It's really pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that with the applicator it came with. It is wet. Like, it feels kind of sticky, but once it dries, you know, the tackiness is gone. I'm also going to apply glitter over this as well. So using my NYX glitter primer glue, sorry, I'm going to go ahead and add some Anastasia glitter on top. And I believe this is called Mistletoe. So I'm going to put that right on top. Taking a nude pencil, I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes pencil in the shade Nude. I went ahead and lined my eyes off camera, and now I'm just taking the Stuffed shade again and adding that to my outer crease again and just blending it out. I felt like the glitter kind of made that color get lost. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some more of that, and then I'm going to apply my eyelashes. The lashes I chose are the Kiss Luxtension Russian Volume lashes, so they just look like this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that and apply my mascara as well. With the Too Faced Plump and Prime Primer, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my face. I really do like this primer. I like how my skin looks after I apply it. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Nude and apply that all over my face and use my concealer. I'm just going to show you all the products I'm using, not really showing the process. So this is the Born This Way concealer in light. So I'm going to apply that to all the areas where I usually conceal. For my powders, I'm going to use the translucent powder by Kylie Cosmetics. Apply that to all the areas I put the concealer, and use the Stay Matte powder from Rimmel to apply everywhere else. To bring color back to my face, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and apply that in all the areas where I usually contour, which is my forehead, underneath my cheekbones, jawline, especially in my nose area as well. And after I'm done contouring my nose with that Hoola bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and add some more of that Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder just to the sides, and this helps bake it as well as blend out that line when you are done. I'm going to go ahead and just brush off all the excess powder that I have on my face that was already on there, and then I'm going to move into my blush. For my blush, I'm just going to use MAC Cosmetics Good Health Great Wealth blush. It's like a duo blush, so I'm just going to go ahead and swirl those two together and apply it to the apples of my cheeks, and then start to blend it upwards towards my temple. And I really, really like this color. I can't remember the name of the collection, but it has the koi fishes on it. It's really cute. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off all of that powder on my nose because my nose is done baking, and then I'm going to apply my highlighter. I did put a little bit of blush on the tip of my nose as well. I don't know if I showed that in the footage, but I did. So for the highlighter, I'm using the same exact MAC Cosmetics collection. Remember how I told you had the koi fishes? And this is Double Gleam. So it looks so pretty. Like, I didn't even want to touch this at all. So I just kind of like tried to dip around the fish. So I'm going to go ahead and just add that with a small brush. This is a blending brush, but I'm just using it as my highlighting brush, and then add it to all the places where I usually highlight it, which is the tops of my cheekbones, nose bridge, tip of the nose. I do a little bit over my eyebrows and a little bit on my chin. Oh, and let's not forget the inner corner. Completely forgot about the inner corner. So yes, I put on the inner corner and on my brow bone as well. Alright, to set all of this, I'm going to use the Professional Super Setter Setting Spray by Benefit. Make sure I spray that all over. Get a good misting on your face. Let it dry. And then I'm going to move on to my lip. For the entire tutorial, I had on my lip injection by Too Faced, just plumping up my lips throughout the entire process to get it ready for the lip product. I did go ahead and fix my hair. As you can see, my hair is growing out. And then I'm going to jump into the lip products. The lip products are only two. I'm using the Sugar and Spice LA Girl lip pencil, and I'm pairing that with the KKW Nude One lip gloss. I'm going to go ahead and apply that. I really like this pair. I feel like it did go a little overboard with the lip liner on my bottom lip, so I'm just going to clean that up with a Q-tip real quick, and then I am done. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.